reigning champ draws first blood. The Python retaliates with its signature move. If the gator can't break the chokehold, its fate will be sealed. Just when all seems lost, it manages to free its head to launch a counterattack. With one of the most powerful bite forces in the animal kingdom, the gator's jaws clasp around the snake's throat with a vice-like grip. It's now a battle of wills. The first to flinch will surely die. With their lives hanging in the balance, neither challenger is willing to tap out. But eventually, the exhausted rivals retreat to their corners. Content to call this bout a draw. But in this intensely charged atmosphere, the odds of a rematch are high.